Hello guys, welcome back with new video. In this video, I'll give you solution of Instagram app crashing. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, here you can see when I am clicking on Instagram app, then it is crashing automatically. And when I am clicking again, so here you can see it gives me error again and again. So let's start how can we fix it. So first of all, open your settings, click on network and internet, click on Wi-Fi, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your device. So if not connected, then go back and open your mobile data and make sure that your mobile data is on. So after doing this, go back and open your Play Store app and search your Instagram. Click on Instagram app and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it. And after this, go back and click and hold on Instagram app and you need to uninstall it. So click here and install it again from your Play Store, and after doing this your problem will be solved. So if not solved, then open your settings, scroll down and click on system, click here and click on reset options and click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and you need to reset all of the settings. So after doing this, go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So I am clicking on Instagram app. So here you can see I am facing this problem again. So the last and 100% working method is open your settings, click on apps and notifications, click here and click on Instagram and click on storage and cache and click on clear storage. So if the setting of your Android mobile is different from mine mobile, then I'll tell you the shortcut of this process. The shortcut is click and hold on Instagram, click on app info and click on storage and cache, click here and click on clear storage. So after doing this, open your app again and check that your problem is fixed or not. So open your Instagram app. So here you can see now my Instagram app is open. So now log in your account. And now you can see my Instagram app successfully open. So here you can see, if you have same problem, then follow my steps and you will be able to open your Instagram app smoothly. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.